Hello students, today we'll discuss about light reflection refraction. That is the topic of 10th class physics CBSE. Okay, now let's start. First of all, we define some important terms that is used in this chapter. Okay, one by one. First of all, what is light? Light is a form of energy which produce a sensation of sight. Light means energy है जिससे हम देख सकते हैं. Without light there is no meaning of our eyes. हमारी आंखों का कोई रोल नहीं है विदाउट लाइट के. ओके, जो हमारी आंखों में देखने की सेंस प्रोड्यूस, दैट इज कॉल्ड लाइट. नाउ ल्यूमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट, द ऑब्जेक्ट्स विच एमिट लाइट, जिनसे लाइट निकलती है, जो लाइट छोड़, दैट इज कॉल्ड ल्यूमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट. नाउ नॉन ल्यूमिनस, जस्ट अपोजिट ऑफ ल्यूमिनस, the object which do not emit light, that is called non-luminous object. Okay, now beam of light, a group of parallel rays of light emitted by the source of light, that is called beam of light. It is beam of light, but it is a single ray of light. Okay, beam of light means that is parallel ray of light. Okay, called beam of light. And next, we use diffraction of light, the phenomena of bending of light around the corner of the opaque objects, that is called diffraction of light. Light, like when light falls on this, that is reflected back on all surface, that is called diffraction. Now reflection of light. First of all, as we know, when light falls on any opaque object, then it goes back in the same medium. देखिए यहाँ से लाइट आ रही है, यहाँ पे उसी मीडियम that go back, that is called reflection of light. If light falling on surface going back to same medium is called reflection, means उसी मीडियम में टकरा कर लाइट वापस जाए, that is called reflection. It is similar to the bouncing back of a rubber ball after striking a wall. जैसे कोई बॉल है वो दीवार से टकरा कर वापस आती है, that is also called reflection. In the same way we define the process of returning the light to same medium after striking a surface is called reflection. Means light किसी surface से टकरा कर उसी medium में वापस आती है, go back, that is called reflection of light. Okay, in the other ways, when light falls on any surface and it reflect back, turn back, return back, go back, that is called reflection. Now here some important terms in this topic. The reflector, the surface which reflect light, here it is reflector surface है, ये आपके ये लाइट को रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है. लाइट फॉल्स ऑन दिस पॉइंट एंड गो बैक इन सेम मीडियम, दैट इज का रिफ्लेक्टर. ए बी इज द रिफ्लेक्टिंग surface. Now here, now few terms related to reflection. Here that is incident ray, reflected ray, normal, angle of incidence, angle of reflections, and that is the reflecting surface, reflector. Here I use some points: incident ray AB, reflected ray OB, angle of incidence A, angle of reflection R, normal O1, and points of incidence, that is O. Now we define one by one. The ray of light falling on the reflecting surface, that is called incident, means that is the surface when light falls on this surface, that is called incident ray. Reflected ray, ray of light which go back. Now here light falls and go back, that is called reflected ray. Now angle of incidence, angle between incidence ray normal, here I draw diagram again, that is angle I. Incident ray, reflected ray, angle between incident ray and normal. Okay, now angle reflections, angle between reflected ray and normal, that is called R, angle of reflection. Now point of incident, that is the point of incidence where incident ray fall, that is called point of incidence. Okay, students, in the next lecture we will discuss more topic of this chapter. Till then, stay with us. Goodbye.